This is the setup for an automated water exchange system for the fish tank. We see two pipes. One is connected directly to cold water, city supplied tap water, and water comes in through this pipe and goes to the fish tank. The second pipe returns dirty water from the fish tank and drains to a sewer line and back out. The water comes in from the bathroom through this pipe. It's filtered. First stage is the sediment filtration. Second one contains activated charcoal and reduces the levels of chlorine and other heavy metals. Then the water passes through this safety solenoid valve, which we're going to talk about in a second. Continues along this pipe and then passes through this pressure regulator, which decreases the water pressure to safe levels. Then is split into two pipes, which then go to the two sides of the tank. Those pipes are then terminated with two drip emitters, and those emitters reduce the water flow to that kind of speed. This one is a 1 gallon per hour. The other side of the tank has a half a gallon per hour drip emitter, and that combined creates 1.5 gallon per hour water flow into the tank, which will result in a 5.5 day cycle to exchange all the water in the tank. The water returns from the tank through those two pipes, enters into the filter, biological filter, passes through the filtration system, and then drains out through this exit tube when the water level rises to the high enough level, and it enters this red container. When the water level inside the container rises to a certain level, this float rises and activates the sump pump. This pump then drains out the water from the red container, and the water exits through this exit pipe and goes back to the sink, to the outlet we saw earlier. The red container is equipped with a safety switch that will shut off the water flow in case of the power failure or the water level rising. This little switch turns off the electricity flow when the water level rises to a dangerously high level. When the electricity is turned off, this safety valve we mentioned before will shut down. This valve is off by default, and only when electricity flows it actually opens it. So right now it's open. When this little float is in a default position, when the float rises, it shuts down the valve, and the water is stopped. This protects us in case of the power failure, as well as overflow into the red container. That's it, thanks.